Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm gonna do the Colourbox lipstick range swatches. Now I love doing swatches. They're my favorite thing to do, favorite kind of videos. And before I actually begin, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. I'd really appreciate that. Without further ado, let's get into this. Now I love doing swatches videos. The last video that I did, I got a lot of comments saying that shoot in natural light and not like artificial light. So today just solely natural light in front of the sun, even though it's raining outside. So everything is true to color as much as possible. Now talking a little bit about the lipstick, it comes in this tiny little bullet lipstick form, and it's like a very creamy lipstick. Some of them are very pigmented like this one, whereas I'd say a majority of them are not as pigmented and you need like 3 to 4, maybe sometimes 5 swipes to really get the color. But then it's just really creamy. So it glides on really well, so 4 to 5 swipes is not a problem because it's so easy to glide on. And they are pretty long lasting if you are used to creamy lipsticks as such, because for me, I have to touch up like once in every 3 to 4 hours and I'm good. But it's not a lot of effort because it's so easy to just apply. And all the details you need about the lipstick are in the description, so all the links and everything are below. Check that out, and let's quickly move on to the swatches. you guys like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite shade is, and mine is this one, which is called Brick Red. It's the last one that I actually like put on because it's so dark and it just makes me feel so confident and makes my lips look so big. Love it. So let me know which is your favorite in the comments below, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.